game begins the moment you open the package. You build your story chapter by chapter. Each piece you touch is real. You roll the abyss dice, not just for a number, but to see what rises, sanity or madness. And every turn you choose, logic or instinct, reality or illusion. Some choices lead to confrontation. You may face monsters or worse, yourself. When you send hit zero, the game won't wait. You restore. Remember, the one descent is never enough. In your second descent, you flee the echo token. The other side brings a new kind of power. Your city isn't just a number. It's how the world looks back at you. Each discovery changes the past. Your journey becomes one of 13 endings. Every decision, right or wrong, leaves a mark. The honor wall reports them all. Progress, failure, legacy, it stays. You don't just shape the story, you shape the people inside it. So the question is, are you ready to begin?
Hi there. You've just seen how the game works, what it looks like, how it plays. But there's more behind it than just the mechanics. Let me show you what we've been working on. What you just saw is only a glimpse of the world we've been building. And believe me, this is just the beginning. When you receive it, you'll probably be surprised by how much is inside. To us, this was never just about mechanics. It's a bridge between our world and something just beyond it. A way for you to reach across time, across space, and leave something behind. We also created the Echo Galaxy, where your name becomes a star in the sky of this journey. If you choose to join, you'll never truly leave. To make this world even more real, we wrote a book, an archive of strange truths and forbidden pages, written by investigators from across the story. It's a guide to what lies beyond. You can read it anytime, even before you play. No spoilers, only signals. And if you choose to, you can become more than just a part of the story. You can create your own character, your own path through it. And of course, we added many little things. The bookshelf can turn into a portable screen, transforming you into both KP and the storyteller. It's built from the bookshelf, magnetic spine, and whiteboard. Honestly, it's kind of awesome. So this is what we made. You've already seen too much. It's reaching through. A story that only is if you let it. A box that only opens if you choose to. And if it changes you first, would you even know? This is Abyss Echo, the Forbidden Rite. Now, it's your turn to write what comes next.